I was a math major in college. Well, not for long. During my first day of multivariable calculus, the professor said something about double integrals, and I was done. Nope, not for me. I'm out. The only course available during the same time slot was called Introduction to Public Health, and the professor wrote on the overhead, "College will make you sick." What does that mean? He said your health is determined by things like when you're born, where you grow up, how you work, what you buy, who you spend time with. It's like everything in life can affect your very own well-being. Public health is about making sure these things beyond yourself, these social determinants, keep you healthy. I was hooked. I grew interested in sexual health because I was a teenage boy. I thought about sex all the time. I had very little personal experience and soon learned that the limited knowledge I had was entirely wrong. You see, I learned about sex from watching hours and hours of movies and TV shows, but they showed me a type of sex that doesn't exist in real life. Based on their rules, condoms are never used, sexually transmitted infections don't exist, and the best sex is actually quite risky. No talking, no negotiations, no running to the bathroom, media sex was perfect, and entirely unobtainable. The worst part is that half of the 19 million new sexually transmitted infections each year occur among the largest consumers of media, young Americans ages 15 to 24 years old. That cost burden of these infections is estimated to be over $15 billion per year. That's billion with a B. We can't just blame mainstream media. Where are the public health media campaigns that counter mainstream media's perfect sex? They're out there, and they're really boring. Why? Because mainstream media uses the power of story. Public health just has information, and information is boring. Luckily, I've come a long way since my introduction to public health. I'm on a mission to develop a transmedia narrative to promote healthy sex. Transmedia uses multiple media platforms to tell a story. Because stories teach and engage, stories aren't boring. Stories can change ideals and prejudices. They can make sex fun and healthy. And that's way more fun than multivariable calculus.